Hello, what's up guys, this is Ankush from Skillsily, and in this video I am going to show you how to upload a short video on YouTube. So let's get started. Take you to my computer screen for live demo. So here is the computer screen. First of all, you will need to sign in to your YouTube account. I have already signed in to my account Skillsily to save the time. After that, you have to click on this camera icon. It is available on the top right corner. You will see three different options in the drop menu. As we are here to learn about uploading short video, so select upload video from this drop down menu. Now a new window will be appear. Click on select files to choose the short video that you want to upload to your channel. Again, a different window will be appear to choose a video from this window. You can access through many videos in your computer by browsing these videos here. Select the desired video by browsing in the PC, then click to open button. Let's select this video. Now click on open. The video will be start uploading. You can see the progress right here. That is uploading 8%, 9%. Till the time video is uploading, you can add a title, description and tags to this video. Let's change the title here. You can change the description too, or add some lines here, or skip this. Now you can select a playlist to which you want to add this video. Let's select shorts here. You can add also new playlist from here. Click on done. If it is made for kids, then click on yes. If it is not for kids, then you can click on no. My video is not for kids, so I'm clicking on no. You can set the age restriction. I don't want to set any age restriction, so I keep the default setting as no. To open more settings, click show more. If you are promoting a product in your short, then check this box. Otherwise, leave it. Now the important option is here, tags. You can add some tags as per your video. There are some tags that already appears in my video. Let's add some new. After typing the word, you have to type comma at last. Then this will be added to your tags. The next option is available here, language and caption certification. As my video language is English, Indian English, so I have already selected this English India. Caption certification is not required. You can add the recording date and locations. Recording date 18 and location. Let's for example India. There is no need to change any license here. It will be as standard YouTube license. Now this is the important setting that you have to select the video region, video genre, the category. My video belongs to education category, so I have selected education. You can change this and you can select comedy, entertainment or others as per your video. It is not required. Academic system, you can target your audience as per academic system. I have selected India. You can restrict your comments. You can allow all the comments or hold some comments here or disable the comments. I am allowing some comments but hold potential inappropriate comments and increasing the strictness. It will be as default. Now you will see the video has been appear here and all the checks has been done by the YouTube itself. These checks are the copyright checks. There is no issue found in my video. In video elements you can add subtitles for, but I think there is no need to add subtitles for short video. But in long video you can add subtitles here. Now come to visibility section. You have to choose public from here as you want to publish for all the people on the YouTube. You can also schedule your post as per required date and time. Because I am publishing right now, so I have to select save or publish and settings to public. Now our video is ready for publish. Click on the publish button to make your short video live on your channel. So that's it. You have successfully uploaded a short video on your YouTube channel. You can share via WhatsApp, by given link or some other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, mail, etc. Or you can close this window. So our short video appear here, that is for 17 seconds. Public restriction will be none. View 0 till now. Let's see on the channel. So here is the shot. Let's play it. So it's playing right now. You can see in full screen on your mobile, etc. You can see some basic settings of this video from here. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.